Have you ever wondered how the human body maintains its order and stability amidst all the chaos surrounding us? Well, today we're going to explore the fascinating world of structural levels in the human body, a beautifully orchestrated system of complexity and precision. Let's start with a brief introduction to the central players in this intricate ballet of life: cells, tissues, organs, and systems. Each one of these structural levels plays a crucial role in maintaining our body's order and stability, and together they form an elegant symphony of life that is, quite frankly, mind-blowing. Cells, the smallest and most basic unit of life, are the building blocks of our body. There are trillions of them, each performing a specific function, from carrying oxygen to fighting off invaders. These individual cells then group together, sharing a common function, to form what we call tissues. Tissues, in turn, are more than just a collection of cells. They represent a higher level of organization, where cells of similar type work together to perform a specific function. Imagine a team of workers, each with their own task, but all working towards a common goal. That's what tissues are like. But the story doesn't end there. When different types of tissues come together, they form what we call organs. Each organ, whether it's the heart pumping blood or the lungs enabling us to breathe, has a specific role in keeping us alive and well. Finally, we have the highest level of organization in the body: the systems. These are groups of organs working together to perform a major function. For instance, the digestive system, which includes organs like the stomach and intestines, is responsible for breaking down food and extracting nutrients. So as you can see, each level of structure, from the humble cell to the complex system, plays a vital role in maintaining the order and stability of our bodies. And it's this beautifully coordinated dance of life that allows us to live, grow, and thrive. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of structural levels in the human body. Starting from the smallest unit of life, the cell, we delve into the fascinating world of our body's basic building block. Each cell is a marvel of biological engineering, a microscopic powerhouse that plays a vital role in maintaining our body's overall health and functionality. There are trillions of cells in the human body, and while they share common features, they come in a wide variety of types, each with a specific function. From red blood cells ferrying oxygen around the body, to nerve cells transmitting signals, each cell has a role to play in the grand symphony of life. Take, for instance, the nerve cells, or neurons, which are the core components of our brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. They communicate with each other through electrical signals, forming complex networks that allow us to think, feel, and interact with the world around us. On the other hand, red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, have a completely different function. These cells, shaped like tiny donuts, carry oxygen from our lungs to every part of our body, and then return with carbon dioxide, which we breathe out. It's a round-the-clock job that keeps us alive and kicking. Then there are the white blood cells, the body's defense force. When a foreign invader, like a bacterium or virus, enters the body, these cells swing into action, engulfing the invaders or producing antibodies to neutralize them. But cells don't work in isolation. They interact with each other, forming a complex community where each cell contributes to the overall health and stability of the body. For example, nerve cells work with muscle cells to allow us to move, while blood cells interact with cells in the lungs and tissues to facilitate gas exchange. In essence, the cellular level is where life begins. Each cell, with its unique role, contributes to the seamless functioning of our body, working tirelessly day in and day out to keep us going. Cells, the building blocks of life, set the stage for the next level: tissues. As we ascend the ladder of complexity, we encounter tissues, the next level of organization in the human body. Tissues are essentially communities of similar cells working together to perform a specific function. Like a well-rehearsed orchestra, each cell plays its part to create a harmonious function. There are 4 primary types of tissues in the human body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. Each has its unique characteristics and roles, contributing to the body's overall function and stability. Epithelial tissues are like the body's protective barrier. They line the outer surface of organs and blood vessels throughout the body, as well as the inner surfaces of cavities in many internal organs. They're the body's first line of defense against harmful substances and pathogens. Connective tissues, on the other hand, provide support and structure to the body. They connect, bind, and separate other tissues and organs, playing a crucial role in maintaining the body's structural integrity. Muscle tissues are the body's movers and shakers. They are responsible for the contraction and movement of body parts and organs, from the beating of our hearts to the typing of a text message. Lastly, nervous tissues are the body's communication network. They transmit signals between different parts of the body, allowing us to respond to changes in our environment. These tissues don't work in isolation. They interact with each other and with the cells within them, creating a dynamic, interdependent system. Epithelial tissues, for example, can signal to connective tissues to repair a wound. Muscle tissues might contract in response to a signal from nervous tissues. Each tissue type, with its unique function and interaction, contributes to the body's order and stability. Without any of these tissues, our bodies wouldn't function as they do. Tissues the next level up lead us to organs, a more complex and fascinating level. But more on that in the next scene. For now, let's marvel at the complexity and beauty of tissues, the unsung heroes of our body's structure. Imagine a puzzle. Each piece, unique and important, comes together to form a complete picture. This is much like the organ level in the human body, where different organs, each with their unique roles, work harmoniously to maintain the body's order and stability. Now, what exactly are organs? Well, they are distinct structures composed of at least two types of tissues that work together to perform a specific function. For instance, the heart, a muscular organ, pumps blood throughout the body. It's composed of several tissue types, including cardiac muscle tissue, which does the actual pumping, and connective tissue, which provides structure and support. But an organ doesn't work in isolation. It's part of a larger, more complex system known as an organ system. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform complex related functions. For instance, the heart, along with the blood vessels, form the cardiovascular system, responsible for circulating blood, nutrients, oxygen, and other gases throughout the body. There are 11 major organ systems in the human body, each playing a crucial role. The respiratory system helps us breathe. The digestive system processes food, and the nervous system helps us sense, think, and react, to name a few. Each system is like a team, with each organ playing its part, working towards a common goal. These organ systems don't exist in silos, though. They interact and depend on each other to maintain the overall health and stability of the body. For instance, the respiratory system and cardiovascular system work hand in hand. The respiratory system oxygenates the blood, and the cardiovascular system transports this oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. So you see, just like a puzzle, each organ, each system is integral to the bigger picture, the human body. It's this intricate interplay of organs and systems that keeps us alive and functioning. From organs, we move on to the grand culmination of all these levels, the systems. Finally, we reach the pinnacle, the system level. This level is a grand symphony where all the previous structural levels come together to play their parts in harmony. Each system in our body is a team of organs working together to perform a specific function. Take the circulatory system, for example. It's an intricate network of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. This system works tirelessly, ensuring that every cell in our body gets the nutrients it needs and that waste products are efficiently removed. Then we have the nervous system, our body's electrical wiring, comprising the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The nervous system is the command center, controlling and coordinating all other systems. These systems, and others like the respiratory, digestive, and immune systems, don't operate in isolation. They are interconnected, constantly communicating and cooperating to maintain the body's order and stability. For instance, when you exercise, your respiratory system works harder, increasing your breathing rate. This signals your circulatory system to pump more blood, delivering additional oxygen to your muscles. It's a beautiful dance of systems, ensuring your body functions optimally. And there you have it, the progression of structural levels in the body, a testament to the intricate design of life. So as we traverse through cells, tissues, organs, and systems, we see a remarkable pattern of order and stability. These interconnected layers, each with their own unique functions, collectively contribute to our body's seamless operation. It's a symphony of biological brilliance, where every cell, every tissue, every organ, and every system plays an integral part. It's this intricate interplay that maintains our body's order and stability. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the human body. Subscribe for more enlightening videos like this one.